So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Excel suddenly showing a floating Copilot button you don't want, you're not the only one. A lot of Microsoft 365 users are opening Excel and seeing a much more visible Copilot entry point appear inside the app. And the frustrating part is that many users can immediately find a simple hide button for it. So in this video I'll show you what you can actually control, where to check the official Microsoft 365 Copilot settings, and why some users may not be able to fully remove it depending on their account or organization settings. Recently, some Excel users started seeing a more visible floating Copilot button or an entry point inside the app interface. Depending on your Microsoft 365's version, account type, and update channel, the UI may look slightly different. Some users see Copilot directly in the ribbon, others see a floating button or a persistent side entry point. And because Microsoft changes Microsoft 365 UI layouts frequently, not every device have the exact same controls. That's important because many tutorials online pretend every version of Excel has the same hide option, but that is simply not true. Now let's check if the button has a built-in hide option. The first thing to check is whether your version of Excel includes it. Try right-click near the Copilot area if your build supports contextual controls, and also check the ribbon customization area or any visible Copilot menu settings. But here's the important part. If your version of Excel does not include a visible hide control, do not assume you missed something. Many builds simply do not expose a separate floating button toggle. Now let's check the official Microsoft 365 setting. Open Excel on your computer. Go to File. Then Options. Depending on your Microsoft build, you may see a setting related to Copilot or an Enable Copilot checkbox. If the checkbox is available, turn it off. Microsoft says the settings applies to that specific app on that specific device. That means disabling Copilot in Excel only affects Excel on the current computer. It doesn't automatically disable it on every app else, so you have to do it manually. Now let's talk about the work and school accounts. If you are signed into a company or a school account, you may not have full control over Copilot behavior. Some Copilot features are controlled by organization licensing. That means even if you disable something locally, your organization may still manage parts of the experience. Just contact your IT administrator before trying advanced modifications. Another important thing, Microsoft changes 365 UI behavior constantly. A future Office update may add new controls, move existing settings, or change how Copilot button appears. So make sure your Office apps are updated before assuming something is permanently broken. Just open File on your Microsoft Excel app. Go to Account. Then check for Office updates. Sometimes users follow outdated tutorials from months ago and end up looking for menu options that no longer exist. Always compare tutorials against your current Microsoft 365 version. Finally, let's cover what you should avoid. Do not install random remove Copilot scripts from YouTube comments or sketchy websites. A lot of these scripts modify Office components, group policies, schedule tasks, or registry settings that can create stability problems or break future Office updates. Also, avoid editing registry settings unless you are an administrator and fully understand the policy being modified. Many online registry hacks are outdated, incomplete, or designed for enterprise deployment scenarios. For most normal users, the safest approach is to use an official in-app setting where available and wait for Microsoft UI updates if needed. So remember, turning off Copilot in one Microsoft 365 app does not automatically disable it everywhere else. Work and school accounts may be controlled by admin policies. And because Microsoft changes the UI frequently, future Office updates may change how it behaves. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.